Hi guys, today I will show you how to upload JavaScript and CSS files to the application using dbFLux. I have prepared here a small demo task app. With this I can create and edit tasks. Now the requirement is that we want to set the task to done or undone by clicking on the checkbox to the right. I have already prepared something for this. On the one hand, I have created a dynamic action. This is triggered when you click on the checkbox. Furthermore, I created an AJAX callback process that adjusts the value of the column accordingly. Now I add in the dynamic action the call to the function which we still have to implement. Call this toggle done and using this as parameter. In VSCode I now place a new JavaScript file. The whole thing is triggered by the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-Alt-C. Here I select the JavaScript directory for our application and afterwards I assign a proper name to the file. Of course I have already prepared something and paste the code into it. Here the AJAX process is called and then the JSON return is evaluated. The checkbox icon is changed and a message is displayed. Now we minify the file with Ctrl-Alt-B, create a map file and upload it together with the original to the static application files. Now we only need to copy the reference and paste it into the page. So here we can now refresh the page and see if it's working or not. And here we are. JavaScript file is uploaded successfully. The next requirement is that we want to make the columns with the icons or the buttons narrower. Here dbFlux helps us as well. With Ctrl-Alt-C I create a new CSS file for our application. Now I paste the CSS code and with Ctrl-Alt-B this file, including a minified version of the file itself, is uploaded to the static application files. Afterwards, I copy the reference to the file and paste it into the page to the CSS file URLs. It's here. And now, when I refresh the page, we will see the narrower columns. That's all, folks. Thank you for viewing. Bye.